In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious hazelnut puff pastry recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need puff pastry, hazelnut spread, and 1 egg. We're going to remove the puff pastry from the box and take 1 sheet out of the packaging. Use a rolling pin to flatten out the sheet. Spread a thin layer of the hazelnut spread on top of the pastry sheet. We're going to fold the sheet in half. Use a pizza cutter to cut this into 1-inch strips. We're going to twist each strip twice and place it on a baking sheet. Scramble the egg. Use a brush to brush on the egg mixture onto each of the puff pastry strips. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Let cool completely. Once cooled, we're going to sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. Our hazelnut puff pastry is complete. Now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.